Hey guys, Dr. John here. Today we're going to be going over a variation of a single leg bridge, which is a straight leg single leg bridge. So this really helps to not only continue to challenge your core activation and stabilization, as well as through your hips and your legs, but it also helps with your hip extension and getting a little bit more through your hamstrings. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up an elevated surface, and the higher that you go, the more challenging it will be. So you can use a couch, a chair, whatever it might be, but something a little bit more solid will be a little bit better just to give you some stability. So you can do this a couple of different ways. One, if you decide to hold, you can hold up, and you can go up in two legs and then hold for a period of time on each side and do reps back and forth. Or what you can do is lift up with one leg, bring yourself up, and then back down, just like you would if you're doing reps of a single leg bridge. So things to pay attention to as you're doing this is making sure that you're still driving through your glutes and your hamstrings to bring yourself up. I'm not moving through my back where now I start to arch. I'm only going as far as I'm able to using my hip extensors here through my glute and hamstring. Similarly, as I come up, I'm not in a little bit of flexion here, making sure that I straighten out that line here and make it nice and even. So with this opposite leg, what you can do is you can either cross it over like this, or you can keep it straight and just kind of have it float. Or like I said, you can do, that one's getting tired. You can come up into a two-leg, single-leg bridge and alternate side to side. But this is a progression to continue to challenge your hip extensors as well as your core stabilization, as you're adding a longer lever than you would in a regular single leg bridge, because now that leg is straight. But make sure that before you progress to this, and before you progress to a single leg bridge in general, that you are proficient and able to do a two-leg bridge or single leg bridge on the ground itself before you add in this elevated surface, which then just challenges you even more. That is how you do the straight leg single leg bridge variant.